Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment, then I play one round of my game, and after that I decide what I work on today. First, correct project, select the name game dev. Waiting for the terminal to be responsive, and command in the terminal, and wait for a few lines to appear so I know it's ready. Do I play timer? I guess I play timer. So I might still... Yeah, I need to test one for tamer, also I might change him still. Okay, it's ready, it runs in the browser. Localhost for me. I reset, so I start fresh. I have to think, I'm the guy in the middle. I choose tamer. I guess I play against big enemies. Okay, this he teleported. Normally this should not happen so easily. It doesn't matter. So it's a sense enemy. If they attack me, lose HP. The bar above my head is my HP. If it reaches 0, I die. And if I die, I get, or based on how far away from the center I died. So the goal is to get as far away as possible. I or my pets get stronger the more they kill. And enemies get stronger the further away I am from the middle. Also, yes, this was a short introduction. Now I play. Okay, upgrades. I'm against big enemies. What do I want? Wes is probably the best protection ability, so I take it. After it, do I take Bombard? Think a bit. Bombard is technically weak, but if I keep them not fed, it's good. And I guess I have to take Dash now. Gives me the best single target bonus. Okay. I can feed from here and I take you. You I never feed. Okay. And I hope he'll find the way back. Yes, here it is. Okay. Next boss. Protect me. Perfect. Now I have Bues. Needs more love, never gets fed. Range and anti-tag range in this case. This is green pet. Should probably tell the ability here better. Green pet is bombard. Ice is I think what I need most. And here I take dash increase damage taken. Okay. Oh no. Protect me. Time-wise, I'm looking good, I guess. Okay, next it's fed easily is good for Boaz. But I want slow in the long run. Okay, but let's take this. Now I have fire speed. I do more projectiles, I guess. And here I take needs more love. Fireline I don't think I need. Let's take root for here. Okay. Desha is currently very unreliable here. Time-wise, I'm good. So range from my breath is good enough. I hope I get range slow next time. I feel like I'm protected. Okay, perfect. Now let's see. Happy one breath slow, perfect. I want more fire speed, I guess, now. Very hungry, this is fine. And get fat easily. Okay, this is decent. Perfect. The dash is sometimes lost, is interesting, but no. Oh god. Here, next boss. Slow and dead, perfect. Do I need more slow? Not necessarily. Do I love food range? This is dangerous. Then I take more slow, I guess. This is definitely fire speed. And never get fat. He doesn't need to be fat. So I think it's fine. Oh, okay. Oh, I fed him too much, but it doesn't matter. Okay, take me a bit. Needs to be completely fine. Dash swim, thank you. Okay, next upgrades. Range eat less. So perfect. Get fat easily, fine. Wants to stay slim is fine. I guess. Should be good enough to and against the king. So let's me. Okay, this should be it. Now I have to be careful what I think. No, you have to stay there. Ooh, you're unhappy. This is why you're not. Perfect. Okay. 2.4. This even damage meter. It's the damage taken increase. But Green Bombard did the most in the end. Okay. Copy last replay. Gives me a new tamer long here. I also shortly check are my tests all active. Should close stuff so I don't have too much open. My tests. I don't have any multiplayer ones. This is fine. Okay, next game task is I have one, but I don't know if this will change. I increase version. 381 today. And what tamer, painter, boomerang, no visual difference, which is bad, but have different move patterns, not easy to distinguish. Okay. Basically, I want to paint Boomerang and use it as sprite. Then I have more like play testing, and there are some things I should check. Okay, I see. Let's get then GIMP up. GIMP. Dum. Those. I'm a new, but I shortly check other files so I have an idea what my image size was. No, not this. Is it? Maybe. I'm unsure what. This is 40 times 40 for grass tile. This is probably around my size. Okay, so let's do 40 times 40. 40 times 40. Put in alpha channel. Move it. I have to remember, I want two versions, one for player, one for enemy. So the boomerang is probably just like this. This is the base. Where's the, yes, this what did I need to increase? Is force what I need for instant removal? No, still not. Smooth, hard edge, size, city, spacing. Yes, fade on distance and which so fade out. I wanted to erase instantly and not. Well, I don't know what the value for it is. Angle doesn't, spacing doesn't, hardness, force, brush force. It's not instantly. Sees it as a brush. Mode normal. 1 pixel. Light jitter, smooth stroke and smoother strokes. I am not sure. Different, no, there's no different eraser. Just to make sure. No, I don't like. Spacing? I do this? No idea what spacing is. Let's go to 1. No. Sometimes delete, sometimes not. Angle 0. Hardness, I have no idea. Hair hardness seems to help. Force. Or seems also to help, but it's not. Enabled in dynamics. This is not. I'm confused. GIMP 3 eraser. Transparent? This might be. Do I make the eraser transparent in GIMP? Eraser, maybe I see something here. The background color is white, the image has no alpha channel, the eraser opacity shows the white background color. Yes. If you need to erase some group of pixels completely leaving no trace behind of their previous contents, you should check hard edge. Okay, hard edge. Hard edge. Yes. Okay, hard edge. This looks what I needed. I don't know if there's anything here. Hard edge. So, oops, not what I wanted. Okay, this is my boomerang. Now, boomerang cartoon. Is there something specific about? They have basically arbitrary designs. Form is correct, and now I can just something simple, I guess. Okay, color to fill. No idea. Let's make any pattern. No, I need. No, I make this simple pattern. Do I take white? What do I take? Bluish? Do I take blue for something? This is bluish. I'm confused. Do I want bluish? Green. Green might be harder to see, but it doesn't matter because it's my ability. Blue I rarely use. Or do I just take some whiter gray? I have no idea about colors. Being colorblind. Okay, let's just take this. I don't care. Save as. Any documents? No. I am game dev. Images. Boomerang. Oh, I forgot. I want. Pretty sure I can put two in one image. Maybe I should check. So I can always put in. Okay. Let's do it directly. Scale image, not scale. Image size, canvas size. I want 80. Layer to image size. Can I remove this? Didn't work. Float, copy and float. Now I have to find out where's the middle. And here, this is on 5. Left side is on 5. 46, so it would be here, I guess. And this one needs to. Oh no, this doesn't work. I want white, I guess. And fill with black. Okay, this is the enemy Boomerang. Save, export as PNG. And now I put it in my game. I forgot how I do images, but I have probably an image load. Oh no, I defined images in the respective file. So if I take probably here I have one. I do this for Boomerang. I have constants. Game images is imported. I should have an ability name, Boomerang, down here. Move it down. This is Boomerang PNG. I'm convinced. Boomerang PNG. I have 4040. Oh, the size of the sprite. I don't think I usually use this, but fine. Now when I paint ability object, I want to change it to an image. So how do I paint images? Where can I see it? Lovepad should do it. Paint ability object. Draw image, meet image. Let's change this. Don't do this check here. Okay, they need it, I guess. So I paint them 2 times if I don't do it. Yes, I don't use paint order. This is interesting. It's actually important. Do I Only I can check paint order after character paint. And no. So I want to paint before. Let's use it for now. And I get camera position. This is the same. And I get the paint position, which is the same. And I decide for color. Boomerang, pet boomerang. And I draw the image. Here, this will not work because I have the destinations only. I have two cases. If a faction enemy, I should copy. Okay, now I have a faction enemy, else both need special ones, and paint pose is paint pose XY, radius is, I have a radius, interesting. I have a global alpha. Indeed want a global alpha. So this should be it. Now I need to find out how do I paint. I need more coordinates. This basically tells me paint image size to position, which is not what I want. I need this is just destination. Draw width, draw height. Does meet image. Also meet image is not the correct name. This is Boomerang image. This is not correct. Okay, this is one. I need a paint where I paint one of many. What is the next ability which has maybe if the enemy? Do I have? I should have the enemy. I'm currently unsure how I paint them. King Crown is also just one. King Enemy. Body goes over some default paint. Paint King. Paint character pets. Crown image is not what I need. Default. Character randomize is different. Paint character image. Image slime. Draw image. Character image. In position is I center it, and this is it. Wait. Didn't. The slime has slime enemy. It has 2 frames. It should be alternating between them. Paint King. Oh, this went to... Oh god, I didn't want to close it. Now I'm completely lost. Okay, but let's go to there again. Paint character default. Slime paint. Okay, paint. Ah, okay, I was in the incorrect. Here I do it. I load image. Do it a bit differently and then I decide what I take. I don't get image. The problem was that the game images, this is dg name pet boomerang. Then I this away. Boomerang image again. Then I somehow have more data behind it. I have boomerang image properties. Boomerang image should have height and the width. First width, even though it's the same. And I have a height. The boomerang image he is not happy about because now it's properties. Is it canvas? Character paint. Yes, and then exclamation mark. Okay. I should put it in multiple lines because this is not enough. This is part 1. This -20 is not even, but this is destination, isn't it? I will see. When I do more, I have, no, this is source first and then destination. Okay, so this is essentially destination. And I want source here. This is X. X is important. Enemy is actually 40. This is 40, 0, 80, 40. Makes sense? No, this is width 40, 40. And this is my... And for the player, it's just the first part of the image. And I don't know the size. What is the radius? Destination should be radius dependent. Const radius is pet boomerang radius. It has one, okay. And radius should normally be subtract. And const size is radius times 2. I do less calculations so that would be so important. This radius minus radius, so it's centered. Size, so it has the size it should have. Okay. And this is, I guess, a test. Debug, tamer, cheats, allow, boomerang. I don't see anything. Perfect. Do I find the image? Do I load the image? Where's the image load? I never load it. Where's the load? Did I delete it accidentally? Draw. I never load it. Okay, but I'm a bit confused. Didn't I load somewhere central and I should not need to load each time? I'm character image, boomerang image, character paint color. Isn't this undefined? Oops. Image ref is undefined. Then I load. If color is something, and if this is basically, I do a few cycles each time, which might be important for something, but for this I should feel like just load it on the start, and I think I do it even. I should check later, because I did load everything on start, I remember. Onward. Boomerang. Don't see it. But this time I have the load in. Let's see. It's all. Client. I want to see ability boomerang painted. Pet tamer, pet boomerang. And here I have it. Load the image. Let's jump over for once. Doesn't go in here. I'll play one time more. Let's go in here. Image reference, null. To image, source, boomerang. So he's filled up, but he's not finished loading it. What is the problem? Did I misspell it? Boomerang PNG. He has it. Okay, next part. But wait. I was not in there. So again, I jump over it. Because here is some no, I jumped over the important part, didn't I? This one I need. This doesn't happen, so I don't get in here. Oh, I'm confused. What am I missing? I again don't have my slime paint open. What did I manage? Can you keep this open, please? Thank you. It's the image. Put it in here. Check, and then I paint. Nothing else. And at the top he has image slime. I go to definition. This doesn't do anything else. So why is it not loaded? Because it's different, isn't it? Character paint. Character image properties canvas. Oh, it's the same. I am confused. And if this is... I need this. I need it here first so I can order it differently. But why? Does the boomerang not work? So here he doesn't, because there's no enemy. Now he does. Boomerang image. It's no properties. Because it's not a canvas, is it? Is it an image ref? Properties is for other images, is it? No. Slime should work the same. I have a color. Because of the color I have a canvas. Okay, it's different. I had this functionality where I can replace it. Okay, I don't have this case. Okay, so I need a different example. This is my problem. Slime. They are even more complicated. Here's an image ref. For snowman. Okay, I check for image ref. And the snowman has different paints. Okay. It's image ref and not canvas. Now do I take this? I hope this is now correct. I have not the other one open, I guess. Back to here. Load. I have a color. I don't use the color, do I? Snowman doesn't use it. I put it in regardless. What does color do something? I put in a color. The base color. I don't think this base color exists, so I think this color thing is unnecessary. Next try. Boomerang. Okay, so I see it. This is first part. They might be a tiny bit too big. And they should rotate. Okay, now rotation. This is done. How did rotation work? Where did I rotate? The sniper rifle I rotate. Snipe paint. Rotate. Okay, this is a bit more safe. Translate, rotate, translate. And I think I have a restore. Perfect. So I have here, and I see this thing restore. Now I have translation to the rotation point, which is the paint position. I have a rotation value, which is game state time. Maybe it's divided by 10, I will learn. And this might make them rotate. Boomerang. Perfection. So it's something divided by 100. It's probably still too fast. No, could be fine. Oh, this looks fine. I have to think a bit if my hitboxes look decent. Sometimes I feel like they're relatively decent. I mean, they are circles. So far, I think this is fine. Let's consider this done. Anything else? I need to check if the enemy version works. And I have hard-coded values in here, but it should not matter if I only use it Boomerang for here. I could check if I change the radius, maybe, even though I might not never care. Where do I set the default? Should have in creation. Here. Go to 10. And hope this is half-sized. Boomerang. Okay, they are half in size, but I have 20 Boomerang. This is fine. Now I need bosses. Hello, close king, reduced HP, tamer, skill point, boomerang, boomerang, 2 boomerangs. Here they are transparent, perfect. And now these are show them. I want to see. I think hitbox is fine. D5 damage feels like a lot, but oh, no. Can I move and hold the... Wait. Next boss spawn. So I'm here. Where are you going? You're coming. No, I can... This is possible. Okay. I think I'm happy with it. Boomerang image. Did I change here? I just a random change. Here I did the painting change. Here I did the version. Here I did the image, and here the new replay. Okay, this is all fine. Commit. Now I have the boomerang image. Wasn't that hard? Play around with new abilities. So I one check in between. If this is hard reload. I have 0.7 megabytes, but I think they are not how is it reduced in size, I guess. I mean, images don't matter that much. Images don't. I have to think. I never checked for updates. Maybe I should do. Oh god, so long. Is npm install. So I have interesting. Just one low is interesting. npm audit fix. What would he do? Change to packages. What did you change? Only the log. Interesting. And I guess I care. So I had some arbitrary stuff. I have for my server just a task in between. Zip server zip files. There was something about it. I never did it, I guess. It's a task between. I have client server. I think it was a simple setting. Let me think. I'm interested if this makes any load difference. Express server zip. And then extracting, how was it called? JS Express project to compress multiple files into a zip. Express zip. I think I use ChatGPT, might better understand what I want. I am writing a web app with TypeScript, and I have an Express backend. I remember, is there an option to compress files sent to the client? Compression middleware. Compression. gzip, this is exactly what I wanted. gzip is the one that enables gzip and virtually compression for your HTTP window, which can drastically reduce the size of files sent to the client, saving bandwidths. Express compression, use compression. This is everything. Express gzip. I just am interested. Can I English? Perform things to do in a code. Use gzip compression. Yes, I want. Via compression. It's as simple as this. So, compression. I don't know if he finds this. Not what I wanted to press. And use compression. Copy. I do it here, I guess. Don't know if the order matters. Compressing can greatly decrease the size of the response body and hence increase speed of web app use. gzip compression for example is high traffic waves in production. The best way to put compression in place is to implement it at a reverse proxy level. Don't use synchronous functions to log in correctly. Okay, yes, I don't care. I just want compression, and I need to install compression, he says. Guess I will see. So if I run this, will he complain? Or is it already part of Express? He doesn't complain. Oh, he complains. Not okay, perfect. This was JSON dependency. I forgot. Can I do this and he will do it correctly? Don't save. Compression, and here's some number. Okay, I never checked how the numbering changed. Wasn't there some way it tells me latest version 5.10? I should check for updates, I guess. Does compression tell me anything? Maybe it's not compatible, but I will see then, I guess. Started. So here I had 1.7 megabyte. It didn't change. So it's not active. Can I see if, I mean, on this gzip wouldn't matter that much, but on my files. Accept coding, request, and links. I'm not yet convinced if I was gzipped. Because this is transferred. He didn't complain on startup. Let's just check the order, maybe it matters. It's compression after app. Do I do the app? Here I have the app. Don't know if this is let's change the order. So I don't know if he no, this is, I think he loaded it. So now ending. This worked. Transferred over network. No, this is this was gzipped. But it didn't make any difference in the end. It's the amount of files requested, I guess. How do I verify it's gzipped? Okay, don't care. But next thing I need is check if multiplayer still works. Because this part doesn't need to be gzipped as it already is, but I believe there is no different for WebSocket. It'd be strange if you would compress. Okay, 1 megabyte is not much. So the load time is still the interesting part, isn't it? I load, it's 290 requests to load everything, but I mean, it is a lot. For this, there is a webpack where it's just one file, and this would fast. I don't have this. Or could he, if I just load everything at the start, would he be faster? I don't know. This, never know why my mouse goes towards the right. I have rectangles. Okay, but I have zipping in. It doesn't seem to matter, but I put it in, I guess. And I wanted to check new versions. Yeah, Express WebSocket has keyword loading 5.2 4 years ago. Okay. 5.1. So something like this. 2 months ago. 0.10 1 year ago. Compression I just checked. TypeScript 5.8.3. New features never can help. 3.1.10. Notemon. I have no idea what I use this for, but let's increase. Concurrently is... I think I use it to start both things at once. Let's note 2415. Let's try it. Express 3. Okay, let's stop this and pem install to see if anything so null vulnerabilities. Now let's start and see if it still works. If there are any breaking changes. Okay, this should be done. First I restart. So far it's working. And next multiplayer. Seems to work fine. Feels like the ping number is higher than usual, but is it? I didn't check, but now I'm on 10. If I shoot so frequently, I think. Okay, I hope this is fine. So I would see it now as update dependencies. With my time still an hour. I forgot to mention this, but it doesn't matter in the end. New tamer abilities for variation. I think that I have them in. I wanted to try them. Okay, I wanted bosses. Okay, let's try the new abilities for bosses. I think he has... I want to be very tanky, sniper, add a lot of experience. I don't care, I just want to see. You do nothing? Can you not target me? This is bad indication. Not doing anything. He throws boomerangs. Okay, this looks better. He throws boomerangs. Maybe small enemies would be better because... Ah, the first pet doesn't have ability. Yes. Okay. Bombard. Okay, next one. Essentially, this looks fine. This was both new abilities on bosses. Now I want on clones. No, it gets complicated. Becomes complicated. I need Darkness Curse with Tamer, I guess. I think for a moment. I have to do it as non-immortal. And I just want to see that I don't aim, I guess. Okay, let's try. First of all, where is darkness? I should see here something. Okay, here I have ice. Top is ice. Top left is ice. I should see something. This looks like poison. Okay, here's poison. Okay, here's storm, so I have all I can. Now I need darkness top right as a tamer. Without immortality. And without cheats, I wanna play. Okay, let's try, I guess. And I need the new abilities, so... Let's see. Can I outrun them? No, okay. Shh. So now I see. I want Boomerang and Bombard. Perfect. Do 2 Bombards and then I'm fine. Why are they so slow? Why do I feel faster than normal? Okay, I think for a moment. Stake. Stacking damage. Nice. Projectiles, okay. Who is the boomerang? Who is the boomerang? I think blue is boomerang. That's correct. Blue is boomerang, yes, okay. They feed blue, the others not. Don't feed. Bombard once. Okay. Go in. Okay, I take less I like. Fires take AP1 and let's do this. Is fine. But this is not fine. They were. No. Now I take darkness. I am fine with 9. Okay. Did I ever check for pets? I don't know. I I don't know what my pets and his pets are. Interesting. Okay. He turns dark slowly but surely. Okay, so now he is. I unleash him. Now he's. Keep distance. I'm not so sure. It's definitely a copy of me. He leashed something, but I did not pay attention if my pets became evil. If it's pets. Okay, somewhere will be a boss. No problem. So stacking ice speed. And I wait here again. Maybe I go a bit to the left. I should pull him. Did he turn? Yes, he turned. They are evil and they are evil and they are okay. But this is so hard to see. Okay, but I think it works. Don't know if they are balanced, but don't think it is. But I think this cursing works. Anything. Dark clones is checked. This looked fine. Bosses looked fine. Other, I don't think so. So I think I'm through with new Tamer abilities. And I think I like Tamer more. So I'm back to thinking what I should do next. Extend access and class for upgrade choice. So let's think about classes. I now have choice in the tamer. Tower builder is one which sniper has choice, tamer has choice, ball has choice, musician has also choice. So tower builder is the last one which feels always the same. So do I want to do something with him? Builder is... What could builder do? Like I... Could him different play styles? So if I, instead of always being the same, I could give him at the start a choice of so choice for builder question mark start upgrade option which changes playstyle style. For example, tower stuck to player. How should this work? What is tower stuck to player? And I have configurations I can build or something. I have usually left click. I have 3 abilities I can usually use: left click, Q, E. So I could have tower stuck to player. Let's think tower moving default stationary towers can have many towers. Maybe a stationary tower tower stuck to player. I have to see how I balance it in the incident. So stay is the current version. Tower stuck to player. Moving towers. Moving towers. How are they moving? Just ideas. Orbiting towers. Tower stuck to player, stationary tower, tower stuck to player, moving towers, orbiting towers. Moving towers, tower stuck to player, tower stuck to player, tower stationary stuck to player. I could try around with this. moving towers or stationary tower. So the general rule should still apply. When I place the tower, it's connected. Now the problem with stationary tower, but stuck to player. How do I reset? It's like I want to the stationary tower's default, I can place forward on tower stationary stuck to player. My problem is it's hard to reset it. And what would orbiting towers give as a bonus? That it's easier to stack more and more to one because they are orbiting, I guess. So maybe the game is finding out how to connect as many towers to one as possible. I think a bit. I need to be able to deactivate it, but I will see. Tower station is not moving towers is also not well explained yet. Or are they moving? Following? Maybe I start with this idea. Tower station is stuck to player. Plus one tower on upgrade only. So I make tower stationary stuck to player. This could be the downside compared to stationary. Start with 5 still. This is complicated. This might feel more overpowered, maybe not. Orbiting towers, I mean, moving towers is... I think this is moving, so it might be easier to hit targets, but maybe not. Mm. This could be many tower stationary or many stationary towers. Stronger single towers, maybe something like this. Let's say I want a choice of 6, so I cannot always take the same. Or 5, and 6 we will not need. Or I just find 3 versions and it's always choosable at the start. I think I recalculate everything in the end regardless. Resetting is difficult, I guess. I think it's an idea I want to try out. I think a bit. So the first problem is probably how I should implement it. When the tower is stationary to the player, I would probably try to tick them differently so that I do not need to update them each time. So that they are part of player. Instead of object, I can put the things on the ability. Because I want to deactivate them. The player dies. And I want to affect the upgrades based on what I chose at the start. I think the main problem with stationary is changing layout. But I could do layout 1, layout 2 or something and switch between them. I could. There's possibilities. There are possibilities. I think a bit. Or I think a lot. I have to think, how do I do it in code, I guess. We'll probably look over the tower, which is currently a single ability. In a sense, it would be an upgrade. I think for a moment. I think the entire time. I want the object tower to be part of the ability when it's stuck to the player. Because I believe this gives me easier access to... this is also interesting. How do bosses work then? Probably have the same constellation or part of it. It's interesting. And then it's not deleted. Let's think about. I think the switch might be very important if I do this, but let's see. Tower stationary stuck to player. Ability towers, I would put them on the player and I would need to, when I tick ability, which currently does nothing, I need to check which type I am. This also needs to happen for all upgrades. I think it can. Wait, upgrade options. I have the ability, yes, I can check everything. So I would put a new value in here, which kind of type I am. This is set by the first upgrade. The code will go quite a lot with this, but I will see then how I might split it up if I want to. And here I have values which will be dependent on the type. Interesting. This might be a variable in the future, not a constant. I think I have 22 minutes. I mean, the alternative is I play around with and start with this next time. I'm probably gonna go that round. I make a new value which tells me what type it is. I need it. There's another way. Based on this new property, I can decide how the upgrade function works. I can decide how clicking adds things. And it should all be possible, although not easily doable. There's slight variances. I will see. I guess I play more rounds. The white one was a valid one, I remember. Yes, okay. So this is a valid tamer enemy. I should play as a sniper. No, I should not. I try as a sniper to beat this. So this was, I think, double bombard. I take, stay still. Take additional charge. Start is always easy. This time I wait. The thing is, I still don't know on which part of this do I have to shoot. It's part of it. It's double it. Slow trail, I guess. This one it is. And the flies the heart. The heart disappeared. I remember once that the food did not disappear, I think. Okay, now it starts with pets and abilities. Ooh, okay, I go the heart. I will No misgen. I think this was the wrong choice. It was still the best. If I play whale is the strongest. God. There's my T charge load. And this is a bad choice. Terrain bounce is can be strong. I tried. It's also shit dangerous. Oh, he reached me. I was too careful. Too using terrain bounce when I. Okay. I have to reload. God. So this is bad. I don't think I will make it. More rifles, okay. Help a bit. Let's try. Next reload. Currently, the enemy pet abilities are rarely a problem. They are basically never. Oh, good. Where? Okay, this was my death. But it was, from difficulty, it seems fine. Sniper, so except I can still. I feel like I still have more than enough time to more think about how I want to do it. I don't know if I wanna. What I saw, there's nothing I think I wanna try, so unsure. Maybe Tamer versus small enemies. Can do. So the goal is just get to the first. This is my death. First boss as fast as possible. Protect me, thank you. Now I have breath is the easiest. I take breath. Painter can be strong single target, but Dasher would make it easier, I guess. This gives me all the protection. Painter. Dasher helps more with bosses, I guess, and Painter, so I take Dash. Boomerang. So I have maximum single target. Okay. You are dash shy. I can feed you. Well, you shouldn't be. And I want you to be close to me. You are my protection. I want you to be a bit fatter, please. But my HP is fine. There's just no good protection currently. He is too slow. This is I pull and then I go back. I pull and then I go back a bit. I just have no forward speed, I guess. I trigger the next one. Easy. So breath range, shorter leash. This is perfection. Increased damage taken, yes, and stacking damage is boss killer. So small enemies will be stacking damage, needs more love. Okay, everything perfect. Now I can pull, and I am in range because of shorter leash. This is a bombard pad range, but I think slow is attack slow. Dash loves food. Okay, this wood thing is fine. I think I fed too much. Sticking damage, longer leash, fire speed, very hungry. Very hungry is not the best, but fire speed is. I should not have fed him more. It. Okay, what do I have for? Okay, easy. Ancient happy one, I take. Dash increase damage take, can get fed easily. Yes, I take. Stacking damage, shorter leash, or fire speed. I don't need bounce, at least I believe bounce is still. One of the weaker upgrades. Shorter leash. I think stacking damage increase is the most valuable thing. I think I have so much damage. Don't block yourself. Do I go top? I think I go. Seconds, next boss. The pet does dash. Okay, this pet could have voted me, but just dies. Range loves food. This is not good. Very hungry, explode. At least it's safer. Violent Dishling, very hungry, damage taken. I take damage taken. Get fed easily, fire speed. Oh, let's do it. So here. Now be very simple. Oops. Oops. Yeah, I think next boss in 2 seconds, and I reach it even in time. Okay, just that. Let's see, I have no more boss for the king, before the king. My range and love food might be fine. I don't care for range. Never get fed, don't want another explode is not what I need. I guess I try love's food. This might be my death. Eats less and stacking damage eats less. This is perfect. So the only problem I have now is that my breath guy. Oh no. To go here. Not protect me anymore. This isn't pretty. Protect me, protect me, protect me. Okay. And I'm in. I want to unleash. I want to feed you. Oh god, oh god, oh god. I'm in the slow. What was this? Because I wanted to feed, I wanted to be closer, and I didn't pay attention that this slow was an enemy slow. And it slowed me too much. I have no escape as a tamer. Damage was fair. Green dash, yes. Boomerang, yes. Sad. But so I failed because I didn't pay attention to my enemy, to the king. Because I'm used to other kings. I think this is tamer would be possible. Still around 10 minutes. I think about it one more time. So my goal would be I add one value here, type. Not type, but subtype. I could call it subtype. Because ability has a name usually. Subtype is take a string, name, then I have different names. So I have stationary, then I have stuck to character. I don't know how to name it. Maybe I call it following. Following is also not attached. Okay, attached could be the second word. If I start with this ability, I should see how I do it in musician. Because musician starts with one upgrade. Probably in here where or is it the ability music sheet which does it? No, here I give a boss kill point to the music sheet. Then I add it. So it would do the same for tower. This is a boss kill point. Then I should get upgrades. I'm not sure if these upgrades are different. Great ability tower upgrade options. Great ability upgrade options. Did I have boss upgrade options as a second one? This I have to probably check. If I take snipe, for example, is it a different one? Yes, it's boss upgrade options. But what is now triggering that? Ability upgrade functions. So there should be some difference. What is preventing tower to not get boss ability points? Does he have some? Check. So I'm not sure how my code behaves. For example, was I correct? Game state players 0. I have character. And I have no boss upgrade points or something. And I think I take sniper, for example. Does he has some character, permanent data, smooth speed ability? No, the ability does have damage, boss kill points. Here, boss kill points is on here. The ability tower does not have boss kill points. Correct. So I would probably put because the ability also I have to make a special case for it, I guess. Even different than musician. I will see. So it's different than all. It's an upgrade choice which I have to assign differently. And I just have to be able to execute it. Yeah, execute upgrade option. This needs to be able to do it, which sets this one value. And when this one value is set, I don't cast ability before, so I prevent it. And based on what I do, I have to completely alter how these functions work. And let's see if I tick ability object tower. I also only attach to my own, I guess. It's also different. Okay. Tick ability object. Normally I don't get the owner in here. This time I want to have it because I need to update the position. Do I? Yes. The tower would have an offset. I'm not sure. No, I just set it to the owner's position, I guess. Then I can tick everything else like before. So I just need to set the position and then I call it, I guess. The position of the tower, each tick, call the tick ability object, and it's fine. And this is everything, so I think it's less than I expected. But I cannot or will not start with it today. I will come to an end slowly. So let's run my tests. I expect them to... I think the short king is one I still didn't refresh. It should put it on my task list. Could have been something I could have done this time. Yes, short king is still broken. So my current tower change this. This will... I will see. This is my one from today. Worked. This is my ball. Also worked. This is my musician. Okay, perfect. Now everything worked. I can deploy. So let's tasks, update, ideas, forward, next. Commit, I push, it gets deployed. I think I come to an end for today. I know where I want to continue next time. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.